Alright, I said I wasn't going to do it, but then I got to this card shop and got me a nice shiny box, the Topps 2000 T206. So we'll see if I get any good decent hits. I've been seeing some good box breaks and case breaks online, so maybe I get lucky and get a case hit or something in here. Alright, Pedro Feliz, Hanson from the Braves, Crawford, the first radio contest held, looks like Rich Harden, gold border, Chipper, Wainwright, Aramis Ramirez, and Torrey Hunter. Let's see, Brett Anderson, Matt Latos, Jackson, Shields Mini, James Loney, Bonderman, Carmona, Rowland, and Willie Keller. I think that might be a short print. Alright, Jackson, that's Edwin Jackson, Andre Ethier, Brandon Phillips, Matt Cain, Pedro Feliz gold border. Not a big fan of that because he's no longer an Astro. Ichiro, Derek Holland, Chad Billingsley, and Hideki Matsui. I do like the look of these cards. Let's see, here's Brian Anderson, Carlos Ruiz, Albert Pujols, Carmona Mini, Manny Ramirez gold border, Jackson, Floyd, Agua, and Ludwig. And yeah, Mickey Mantle, Gomez, let's see, Queensboro Bridge, Shin-Soo Choo, gold border, Gallardo, Santana, Bartlett, Griffey Jr., and Millwood. Upton, Edison Volquez, Buster Posey. Columbia recognizes Panama's independence. We are all thankful for that. Brandon Phillips, gold border, Gordon, Sanchez, Cueto, Venables. Nolasco, Jackie Robinson, Carlos Ruiz Mini, Victorino, gold border, Rollins. Wow, that's 3 Phillies in a row. Renteria, Masterson, Polanco, another Philly, and Escobar. Looks like I've got a hit in this pack. Let's see what it is. Jared Weaver, Johnny Bench, Piedmont, Juergens, and is a autograph of Daniel That is Fernando Martinez of the Mets. Sorry, but I've never heard of you, kid. McCutchen, Zobrist, Hayward, Sizemore, and Tulowitzki. Alright, Victorino, Stewart, Guerrero, Cabrera Mini, Giovanni Soto gold border, Perkins, Montero, Inge, and Granderson. Really would like one of these relic flip cards, and seen a lot of those, and those look kind of cool. Billy Butler, Reyes, Hayward Mini, Shades gold border, Morales, Drew, Sanchez, Neftali Perez, or excuse me, Feliz, and Jason Bay. That's that over. Alright, blanks. Reggie Jackson, Sandoval, short print, Hop, Mini, Joba, gold border, Zimmerman, Swisher, McCutchen, and Ibanez. Ordonez, Beltran, Murphy, Gomez gold border, Ankiel, Saunders, McGee, Romero, and Kid Elberfeld. Never heard of him. Adam Dunn, Tommy Manzella, another Queensboro Bridge, Yogi Berra gold border, Abreu, Kuroda, Snyder, Craig, Mejia. Another Sin-Soo Choo, Soto again, Polanco, Napoli gold border, Braun, Kawakami, McLeod, Casimir, and Jay Happ, who is doing really good for the Astros since we got him from Royo. Very happy with that trade. Alright, Harden, Napoli again, Beckett, McCutcheon, Rasmus, gold border, Roberts, Nick Johnson, Babe Ruth, and Michael Young. 5 packs left here. Coughlin, Percal, A-Rod, and that is a short print. David Price, Tim Hudson gold border, Verlander, Ross, Bertman, and Maholm. For Bertman, all I gotta say is the Yankees, you knew what you were getting. He was broke down and old. You have no complaining to do. Alright, Zambrano, Beckham, Helton, Beckham gold border, Porcello, Linscomb, Neiman, Castro, and Weeks. Still waiting for that second hit here. Nolan Ryan, Lou Gehrig, Francis, whatever his name is, makes first airline flight across English Channel. Markakis, Maine, Duke, Reynolds, Spahn, and Munson. Last 2 packs. Looks like I got a hit here in this pack. Hudson, Heron, Kinsler, Piedmont, Manny Parra, and the Astro hit is a signature card of Felipe Paulino, who has spent most of the year on the DL. Manny Parra, Cabrera, Kemp, Marquis, and last pack. Let's see if Rios, Yogi Berra again. Personalities, Del Toro, top chief financial officer, numbered 157 of 206. So, bit of a rare card there from a Topps employee. Pedroia, Pinero, Webb, Johnson, Sizemore, and Ramirez. So that's my box. 2 autographs. Guess I can't complain too much. But if you want the Mets hit, Mike, I think you probably can lay a claim to it if you want it. Thanks.